angels and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family. Naked angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Decorating with Barbara. In today's video, I am going to share with you my naturally elegant dining room. I'm also going to share how I put together a few arrangements using faux and fresh evergreen. I also wanted to thank everyone who left comments, prayers, and even your personal stories. It truly meant a lot to me, and it really helped the time to go by during my time on some of those days when I was in bed and wasn't feeling all my best. Now, you guys are truly a beautiful community of people, and I am so glad that you were there lifting me up along the way. So this is the vase that I will be using. Now, normally I will put a glass cylinder inside of this vase when I'm using fresh cut evergreen, but I can't find it, and under the circumstances, I don't have a lot of energy to run around the house looking for it, so we're just gonna go with it. Okay, so for my first arrangement, I am going to start out using some faux evergreen as well as fresh evergreen. Now I'm going to put this faux piece in first because I want it to serve as a foundation piece, and then I'm going to add my fresh cut evergreen for the wow factor. So like I said before, this piece is just going to serve as a base, and then I'm going to add the other evergreen, the fresh and the faux evergreen. Okay, so now I'm going to add in some of the fresh cut evergreen, and just so you know, I'm not doing it here today, but when you use fresh evergreen, the stem part that goes into the water, you want to make sure it's free of any clippings. So if this much of the stem is going to be in the water, then you'll need to remove all of those clippings, or however much. But for today's purposes, this is just for the video. I'm going to go ahead and just leave it, but just know that when you're doing this for yourself, you need to remove the clippings. This is just for a quick video presentation, and so yeah, under normal circumstances, I definitely will take off the bottom stems. And I am wearing gloves because the fresh evergreen can be a little prickly, but it does smell really good. Now, as far as how long this is going to last out of water, it's probably not going to last that long, but when my husband comes home, I'll have him find the container for me, and then I'll redo it in the container properly. I can smell it already. Because I've been out sick, I have not been able to go to a garden center, but I probably will this weekend, and I'll probably share that with you guys. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far, and so at the end of this video you will see the final outcome. Okay, so in the next arrangement I just have a marble cutting board, and I have a piece of garland that I have wrapped around the perimeter of the cutting board, and I'm just going to add a few picks to the top of the garland here just to add a little bit of sparkle.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it's just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Woke up this morning, I looked outside my window where children lighting up the Christmas tree, and the snow is falling. It reminds me of the good times, those winters we would spend, just you and me. It's been such a long time, but tomorrow's Christmas Day, and I am on my way. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Ooh. I can't wait to hold you. We'll be sitting by the fire and watch our favorite movies on TV. We can do what we wanna do. Walk under the moonlight and kiss under the stars. It's gonna be like we never were apart. Yes, I'm on my way. This time I'm here to stay. I'm coming home for Christmas. Yes, I'm coming home to you. Oh, how much I missed you. Wanna spend this day with you. Yes, I'm coming